from his famous ETV show Botched, but we're thrilled to be able to get this one-on-one personal consultant opportunity to be able to spend the day with you. And of course, our today's special, well over 15,000 now, I think close to 16,000 sold, and his #1 best-selling detox pads. If you haven't ordered those detox pads, they're available on auto ship, but we've got a lot of great things coming up. We're gonna be talking about the eye area, which I learned is the #1 most performed surgery that you do.
Of the face that we do.
Yeah, the face that you do, which is
yes.
really interesting. So I mentioned that to you because now we have fewer than 100 of this duo. I showed this to you at the top of the hour, and we have fewer than 100. This is a big duo that we plan on talking about, but it's been so popular. I think a lot of people watch you on Botched, and they know that. And so we want to give everybody a chance to shop early for this peri-orbital eye complex duo. One sells for, I believe, $45 or $50, and you get this duo today at $49. So if you'd like to order, 604-121 is the item number. Shop in advance for it. But you brought us something brand new.
That's right,
today.
World launch.
World launch, tell us about it.
All right, so this, everyone, is my Pro Lipopeptide Collagen Serum. Now, you might ask me, okay, well, first of all, what is that? So when patients come in my office, they say, you know, Dr. Nass, I'm starting to get laxity, getting some sagging on my skin. And really, as we get older, we don't basically, you know, we start having problems with collagen. And we don't have that nice, you know, from the environmental aggressors and age, we start actually losing it.
And
let's show some before and afters.
Do you think that starts to
know,
happen?
Listen, you can actually even start in the 30s.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
And these products you can start early. And I want you to look at the befores. By the way, as I discuss this with you, I want you to look at the befores and afters. And what you're looking at is the smoothness and the texture, and we did a clinical study, and that's where it showed a clinical significant improvement, and the depth of the wrinkles are softer. And actually, you'll see some of that laxity improved. So what we did, we took some of our key ingredients used in our med spa, and that's why we call it Pro, because those are used in the esthetician's arsenal, shall we say.
Wow.
And again, that is also in here, which is Hydraglucan, which is a hydrator, but it's really, the story is about the lipopeptide. So what does that mean? First of all, how do we build collagen? We need amino acids. And as we get older, it just stops working as well, just like everything else starts to drop in our body. Now, this peptide helps to build those amino acids that build collagen. Now, okay, how do we get it in the skin? The lipo is basically a small chain fatty acid which attaches to the peptide and makes it the delivery system to deliver in your skin. And we also set up with, you get that one dropper.
Love that
you
dropper.
push it once inside. That's all you need for your face and your neck. And I want you to use this twice a day. And if you use any other skincare, it's fine, because you're gonna use the detox pads first, and then you're gonna use this second. Pro Peptide Collagen Serum. And remember, the Pro is because a lot of the key ingredients are used in our products when we are doing the esthetician work. That's what's important.
I've never seen us offer, and I've worked here for a very long time, and I've never seen us offer any beauty products with Pro. So I asked the doctor about it, and he mentioned to me, well, that's for good reason, right? Because in order to have that qualifier of Pro, it really has to be it has to level up. So it has to have that ingredient that is used in the med spa. So you have that ingredient that is going to absorb better into your skin. And it's gonna be targeting those fine lines and wrinkles. As you're looking at the before and afters there, look at the difference. If you'd like to have, and this is suitable for the eye area, which we typically can't say.
Yeah, it's suitable for the eye area.
Which is
incredible. You
incredible.
want to get anything in the eye, but I want to go through, if we can, what you are seeing in these before and afters. So remember, when you see before and afters, you know, it's rare that you're actually having some up here showing you. So if we look at the smoothness going from, and this is only a month, twice a day, the smoothness and the texture of the skin is improved over here, in addition to the hydration. And you are gonna feel some immediate tightening with this. That's fine. That's how it's supposed to work. But also the depth of the wrinkle hasn't been improved. Let's go to the next one, please. And we have about 5 of these, so I want to go through these with you. Now let's talk about the sagging. Here's the jowl. Look right here, the difference. 4 weeks, twice daily. Okay, now let's look at this area. Look at the texture of the skin. Now look already after 4 weeks, the improvement.
Yes.
And remember, my goal is not to get you to use this once or 1 month, 1 bottle. The goal is if this is on auto ship, I want you to keep using it. In addition, this is why the more you use, the longer you use, the better results you're gonna get. Because remember, the aging on your face is not something that's taken, you know, a few weeks. It's taken years and years, unfortunately, to occur. So our goal is to fight those environmental, basically fight aging. That's why we call this anti-aging. Let's go to the next one, please. And when you look at this face, this is something, let's go to the, let's go to show me up here. I want to just say something. When you look at this, the first thing you notice, and I hope you can see this from your TV, is that this has the brightness. And the overall texture of the skin is better than over here. And then the next one shows her eyes directly, because remember, everyone looks at the eyes, especially the lower eyelid area is an area we have to be really careful about treatment, because that skin's really, really thin. Look at the wrinkles there, look at the texture of the crepey skin, and look here. You can see the difference only after 4 weeks.
Oh, for sure.
And remember, you know, and this is something I want you to use twice a day.
Nice.
So let's say you buy the bonus special, the cleanser. You're gonna use that first in the shower, then you're gonna use your detox pad, okay? Then you're gonna use our Pro Peptide Serum.
So brand new, world launch, getting, of course, first opportunity, which this is very exciting, to be able to get that med spa ingredient. I'd love to go to your med spa. That would be amazing,
Yeah,
right?
come out to Beverly Hills and we'll do it.
Yeah,
There
I don't
we
know if
go.
I can afford it.
You know,
But I
well,
mean-
you know, you got a connection, you got to hook up.
Yeah, but it would be real. I mean, think about it. So you have that med spa ingredient. That's why you see, of course, that Pro. You're going to use this twice a day. It is brand new. And of course, giving you the opportunity to be able to scale, of course, your skincare. And you talked about us starting to begin, most of us begin to start losing collagen at the age of 30 and above. Not a lot of these to go around. If you'd like to try it, $15 on any major credit card. $44.99 on sale. This will sell for $60, and I would definitely get this on auto ship. Auto ship is going to be the way to go. And there's Kelly, as you can see, with that natural lit from within look right away.
Absolutely. What you're seeing is the brightness in the skin, and you actually see an intense smoothing over of her skin. Now, Kelly, you're feeling some tightness there, right?
I do.
You can feel that.
I feel the texture. I feel the tightening of my skin. It feels wonderful. And I go to doctors that I trust. So when you come out with a new product, I trust that it's going to work, because every other product I've used of yours has been incredible for my skin, and this is no different. It's smoothing my skin, the texture looks better, it's brighter, and collagen is such a buzzword with my friends and I right now, so anything that can help me stabilize my skin and continue to hydrate it and make it look good is the way to go for me.
Absolutely. As a matter of fact, to show you what we're talking about, can we pop up the instrumental test? I want everyone to see this. And again, this is after, if I'm not mistaken, 4 weeks, 2 times a day. We saw a clinical significant improvement in skin texture, and it was smoother. Now that's a consumer perception study. That's one of them. That's not the test. But basically, you can see that everyone said their skin felt okay. By the way, it was easier to incorporate into the routine. That's what it said. But here we go, an improvement in the look of the skin in regards to texture and smoothness.
And that's twice a day.
And that's twice a day. And remember, what's really important, again, the magic here is the lipopeptide.
Brand new.
And again, it's amino acids, peptides that are linked to water-soluble and fat-soluble fatty acids. And that's what's able to get into your skin to make it work. That's why this really is a game-changing to help rebuild your collagen.
Well, if you'd like to order, remember, it's your opportunity to be able to grab it first. It is available for you on auto ship, and we're going to leave it there. Let's go ahead and remind everybody about our today's special. It has been such a great